Go ahead.
Adam Eugene Young, 43 David, Caddo Loop, Pearcy. Hey, get him, stay in the car!
Yeah, see.
Everything okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any reason why you're trying to get out?
Oh, no.
Okay. Okay, as long as there's not. Well, I'm Hunter Grubbs, Arkansas State Police. Risk for the tags are expired.
Well,
Yeah, sure, they expired. You want to get your registration? We can look at it together? Here. You go up here door a little bit so I can show you any weapons. So, well, that one's showing 2023. Mine was showing 2024. I'll go double check it, okay? But
I better double check my shit.
it should be 2025.
Well, this is my girlfriend's truck.
I got you. That's a non-expiring one, so that's not going to be this one. There it is right there. That's the one I'm showing. 11. Hey, it's just a couple days. Do you got a driver's license on you, sir?
Yes, sir.
May I see that, please?
Oh, no, I don't know. Son of a bitch.
Why don't
I got one at the house, so.
That's fine. You're good. Where are you heading to?
This buddy of mine moving safe.
I hope it's not a heavy safe.
Oh, he said about 350 pounds.
Oh, it's one of those big ass ones. I got you. Yeah, what's your first name?
Michael.
Michael.
Bradshaw.
Bradshaw. What's your date of birth, Mr. Bradshaw?
10/28/72.
10/28/72?
Yes, sir.
All right. And like I said, I'm Trooper Grubbs, Arkansas State Police. Mr. Bradshaw, I'll be right back with you, okay?
Yes, sir.
Watch out. You good?
Oh, yeah.
57 eastbound Mississippi, Charles Rockland, 005 0095. It's a Nissan Frontier.
Hey, Mr. Bradshaw. So real quick, right hand, please. Just because you don't have your ID on you, okay?
Yeah. If we can go to the house, I got
Should be good on left hand. Any guns in the car?
Just.
Well, why not?
Dude, I'm a felon.
Oh, are you felon?
Yes,
All right, wise man then. Do you mind wiping it off on your feet, like on your pants and stuff? Try it again. Your left finger don't want to do it. I'll try it. All right, Mr. Bradshaw, I'll be right back. Thank you. Do you mind opening up your door, please?
Yes.
Hey, what are you doing? Okay, 17, 37, 37. We're on Caddo Loop, Nissan Frontier. It's going to be a Bradshaw driving. We're on the loop still. We're coming up on Pearcy. Better not run! I'm gonna shoot you! I'm gonna shoot you! Right fucking now, hands! Give me your goddamn hands! Right now! Hands! Right now! Hands! Walk to me! I will shoot you! Do you understand me? Walk to me! Walk to me now! Hands where I can see them! Get down on the ground right now! Hands over your head right now! Get up. Come on.
17, go ahead.
Come on. 17 racked out. He did 10-15. Cattle Gap, Pearcy, I think. Or Cattle Gap. Yeah, Cattle Gap and Pearcy area. Hit on bumper. Why are you running?
Pearcy Road wrecked out 10-15 times 1. You need EMS.
Go ahead and send my way.
10-4, are you 10-50?
10-4, 10-50. Why are you running? You were about to get a warning.
Arcata County wrecked out. Cattle Gap and Pearcy is one in custody.
Hot Springs, go to start 10-11.
10-4.
Any guns inside that car? Gotta be. But you got ammo, magazine in your pocket. Freaking dumb, man. You good? Are you injured? You just, huh? Your back? You ain't gonna run, are you? Tags were expired for 1 month.
17, I put it over the channel.
Yeah, go ahead. Thank you.
That's all unit 1064K dispatch. 17 EMS is 1019. I'm calling you 1011.
You said your back's hurting? 10-4 drivers.
Where's he at on? He's at Cattle Gap Road and Pearcy Road.
Hey, you good?
17 Union.
I'm good. Vehicle's empty, it's just him. Turn around, face me. Thank you. I greatly appreciate that. But no, sir, I've got backup en route.
Hot Springs, K17.
Go ahead, officers.
Do you need the fire pump?
Negative. No,
Can I smoke one?
Not right now. You know, Angela's gonna be upset. Come on, man. I was gonna ask you just a simple question about somebody that I have a question about, and you just want to take off. Well, I'm gonna ask you a question now. I'll just call Angela. Got anything else on you I need to know about? Medical's en route to you. Any drugs inside the car? This is what you wanted. I know you just got in trouble 4 months ago for possession of fire. You think I was going to search inside the car? Had no intent. Had no intent. You did this, that made a felony. Felony thing. Now I'm getting inside the car. Now for each gun I find, you're getting a D felony with that. Huh? D felonies?
Go ahead, 117.
Offer expired tag.
10.
Come on, man. Spread your feet. You didn't piss yourself or anything? Okay. No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. No, not right now. Okay? Man, you got such a bag. Alright, come with me. My car. Come on.
10.
I bet you are sore. Have a seat. Yes, sir.
I want you to get down here so nobody can hear.
I'm sorry?
So I wanted you to get closer so he can't hear me.
Can you get your hands in your pockets, please?
Yeah.
You're good.
Yeah, I'm good, yeah.
You're good.
I was going to come up there and tell you, but I didn't want to interfere with you. He was going to run.
Yeah.
They come across my street over here on the other side, causing trouble, so I knew sooner or later he was going to try, but that truck ain't fast enough to go anywhere.
No, he took out that corner, took it too fast and wrecked out.
I heard, so I didn't know if he wrecked you or whatever, but...
I appreciate it.
Yeah.
It's greatly appreciated.
Do you know Brandon?
Brandon who?
I don't know. He used to work near the Crossgate Church. I don't know if he still works out that way.
Like lieutenant?
He's a trooper is all I know. Here a while back we had a snowstorm, and there was a massive pile up, and I helped him and everybody get pulled out and all that. But no, I knew you weren't going to go very far because I know the road.
Oh, I know Caddo Loop. I know it.
Yeah,
I knew he was going to dump out back here, and he's going to go left and go right.
Yeah.
We were in it. But I appreciate it. You don't have to stay.
I know. I'm going back to bed.
Well, have a good night.
My driveway camera kicked off.
17 Martins is your killing.
Hey, you too. Thank you. Thank you. Grubs. Trooper Grubbs.
I didn't hear you.
You're good. I'll come closer. Trooper Grubbs.
Trooper Grubbs?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You run this area?
All the time.
All right. Well, you be careful.
Yes, sir.
You ever see me? Wave at me. I work at Alliance Rubber Company, and I've been there 30 years, so if you ever see me, holler at me.
Will do. Thank you.
You're welcome. You be careful.
Hey, you too. Be safe.